Self-confidence means belief in ourselves, in our skills to solve any problem. Affirmations are very important in life. If we repeat affirmations time to time, they become part of our lives. Self-confidence means belief in our skills that we can solve any problem. Affirmations are very important in life. If we repeat affirmations time to time, they become part of our life and our subconscious mind. There are some affirmations which are very important. One is, I can handle any situation that may arise. God is always with us. He never leaves us alone. He is ready to help us. Day by day, in every way, through the grace of God, I am getting better and better. I am best. I do the best. I manifest the best. I am a tough-minded, dynamic optimist. I am a unique creation of God with so many possibilities. I can handle any situation that may arise. Life is incomplete without my presence. We are important persons. Be confident, have confidence, and affirm that you are confident. So time to time repeat, I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. Repeat it time to time. Repeat it 10 times. I am a unique creation of God with so many possibilities. God has sent me here in this world with a unique purpose. Life is incomplete without my presence. Learn new skills, develop your personality. If you develop your personality, God will help you get everything in your life. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. So God will give you everything when you have wonderful personality and you have confidence. Self-confidence is a belief in our abilities to control our life, to live our life in a wonderful manner. It is an attitude. And if we are not confident, we can become confident and we can remain confident by readjusting your attitude. Attitude and thinking is very important for having self-confidence. You can change your attitude. If you are not feeling confident, you can change your attitude. If you change the way you look at the things you look at begin to change. If you are not confident, if you change your attitude, you can become more confident. You will have a lot of self-confidence to live your life. Try to express confidence. Have confidence and show that you have confidence. Even if you don't have sufficient confidence, you should fake it till you make it. So try to be confident all the time in all activities you do. For developing self-confidence and remaining self-confident, it's very important that we should live most of the time in the present moment. We can visit past for analyzing guilts and for importing feelings of confidence you had in earlier period. But we should remain most of the time in the present moment because life exists here. You can visit future also, but for planning, not for worrying. If there are some worries, we should try to find out what is the cause of problem, what is the problem, what are the solutions, and what is the best solution. Then we should try to implement that solution. Otherwise, we should remain all the time in the present moment. So we should visit past and future for a very short time and then come back in the present moment to live a life with confidence. Talk confidently, walk confidently. Your body language should always show that you are confident. Even if sometimes you are feeling low and you are not feeling confident, even then you should try to show that you are confident and you should fake it till you make it. So behave all the time in a confident manner. For having self-confidence, we should believe that we have skills. We should believe that God is always there to help us. We should express our gratitude to God. We have got so many blessings He has given us. Just look around. There are so many blessings. And He has also kept us free from so many problems. So this fact gives a lot of confidence to us to live a wonderful life. So express your attitude, write a gratitude journal in which you write everything God has given you. You can practice gratitude walk also. At every step, you should express your gratitude to God. This way you will have faith and gratitude in God, and you will have a wonderful life full of self-confidence. For self-confidence, communication is very important. Your communication should always show that you are confident. Your body language should also show that you are confident. So always talk concisely, effectively, forcefully, and boldly, and make sure what you speak is true, it's necessary, and it is useful. Always think before you speak. Always engage your brain before opening your mouth. So what you speak should be in your control. You should always speak confidently and with full force. Then you will show your confidence and you will have a confidence. So speaking is very important for having a good confidence.